Well, how bad could this go? Basically what we're trying to do here is we're just gonna put Stu up on jack stands out here in the backyard. If you guys saw in the last video, this chain, it's still off from the last time I rode it. I gotta put it back on. It's super loose. This doesn't move. We don't think. There's no way because it's welded. So this didn't move, so that means the back tire had to have moved. So all I gotta do is put the chain back on, loosen it up, move it back this way until the chain gets nice and tight, tighten the hell out of it, and we should be good. And hopefully we won't have any more problems. So let's put this thing up on jack stands and get you up then. All right, well, I somehow managed to do it by myself. Just lifted the back up, threw those under there. It's good enough off the ground. All right, let's get the chain back on. That was quick. Got it back on. Look how loose this thing is. So let's loosen up this back tire and get this thing moved back. All right, so after doing some thinking off camera and doing some doing, I was able to figure out that these nuts are standard. They're not metric. So we moved the back tire. We were pried because it was already back off the jack stands. Put a pry bar in between the brake and the tire, pulled it, got it tightened up. That's like perfect. So let's go give it a test ride. Boom. We are out here. Been riding around for a little bit. Hasn't moved. It's still nice and tight. I mean, it's been riding great. I've been riding it for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes now. It's running pretty damn good. Trying to beat the rain out here. Let's get back to the GoPro. See if we can get this thing to start first pull. Almost. I still love this thing. Full speed bump. Brake. Right turn, full throttle. Oh, I love this thing. I was also riding around for like, the whole time I was riding around, it was all to find the spot just to film that little clip. It's kind of sad. I'm out of gas. I'm out of gas. This kind of sucks. I haven't checked my gas in like so long. It kind of makes sense that I'm out of gas now. At least it wasn't the chain this time.